Sasa mbona nyinyi hamwezi ingia kwa organic farming? Ingieni.
Hello everyone, Josephat here from Biogas International Limited, ready to guide you through the process of making your own compost manure. To start, gather your ingredients. Here we have it in this ratio. 9 buckets of wood shavings or sawdust, 6 buckets of green material, 3 buckets of brown material, 2 buckets of animal manure. Begin by spreading a layer of wood shavings as the base. Wood shavings provides carbon and helps with aeration. Then next is a layer of animal manure. Animal manure adds nitrogen and introduces beneficial microorganisms. Then add layer of green material. Green materials provides moisture and nitrogen for decomposition. And finally, add a layer of brown matter. Brown materials provide structure and balance to the compost pile and balances out the high nitrogen content of green materials. Next, moisten the heap and mix the ingredients thoroughly. Once mixed and moistened, set up your compost heap. Our heap dimensions here is 2 meters length by 1 meter wide by 1 meter height. Allow the compost heap to sit for a week, moistening it from time to fasten decomposition. After 1 week, turn the compost to promote even decomposition. By week 2, you'll notice significant progress in the composting process. Continue to moisten and turn the compost. By week 3, this is how the compost will look. By week 4, your compost will be ready for use. To apply the compost, mix it with topsoil and use it in your garden beds. 1 cone garden typically requires about 25 kilos of compost. Plant your crops in the enriched soil . And enjoy the benefits of organically grown produce and healthier soil.
Sasa mnaona vile tunatengeneza compost na vile tunapanda mboga mzuri sana, na hiyo mboga tunaita organic. Hata ukikula iko sawa sana, ni tamu zaidi. Iko na taste mzuri kabisa.
Whether at home or at the farm, give composting a try. For more videos and tips, check out Flexi Biogas on all platforms. Happy composting.